This Jaqua Realtors property video is presented by Ksmith. Under construction, freestanding condo. 1,218 square feet of brand new carefree living. Ranch with 2-bedroom, 2-bath, open floor plan, fireplace, main floor laundry, patio and much more. Resort style community with fabulous clubhouse, kitchen, Wi-Fi, meeting room and heated pool for the community use. Pet and fence friendly. $3,000 appliance credit offered. Lots of options ranging from 1,200 to 2,000 square feet with walkout or daylight basements, curbless showers, sunrooms, patios, decks and 3-car garages. Live life as it is meant to be lived. For more information, review the details below.